Unleash your productivity with the NEXA 4-in-1 laptop sleeve. Tired of juggling multiple gadgets and accessories while working remotely or traveling? Get ready to simplify your life with the NEXA 4-in-1 laptop sleeve, the ultimate productivity powerhouse. This isn't just a laptop sleeve. It's a meticulously designed command center for remote workers, travelers, students, professionals, and tech enthusiasts alike. Imagine having device protection, wireless charging, a mousepad, and document organization all in one sleek package. This sleeve fits laptops from 13 inches to 16 inches and is crafted from premium vegan leather for a professional touch. The integrated key-certified wireless charging pad juices up your smartphone or earbuds with 10W fast charging. Plus, it unfolds into a smooth mousepad, perfect for any surface. Inside, you'll find slim compartments for pens, notepads, and documents. Magnetic closures and optional RFID protection add extra security. It's available in classic colors like black and white to match your style. The wireless charging is super reliable, and the sleeve offers great protection against scratches and light bumps. The smooth mousepad ensures accurate tracking for both optical and laser mice. Say goodbye to carrying extra accessories. Click the link in the description to order this laptop sleeve now. Setting up the wireless charging is a breeze, just plug and play. This lightweight sleeve combines 4 functions, saving you space and reducing clutter. Cleaning is simple with a damp cloth, and the vegan leather is stain-resistant. Priced around $110, the NEXA 4-in-1 laptop sleeve is a steal. Buying these items separately would cost way more. It's the perfect gift for organized individuals, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who values efficiency. The NEXA 4-in-1 laptop sleeve is a smart investment for anyone seeking organization, mobility, and tech convenience. If you're constantly on the go, this sleeve will seriously simplify your daily life without emptying your wallet. Ready to revolutionize your workflow? Click the link below to grab your NEXA 4-in-1 laptop sleeve today and experience the ultimate in productivity and style. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome reviews.